See how sharp that is, how thin the strikes are. It's because when I'm using this, I twist it slightly because it's beveled and I slice. But if you keep using the tip here, it'll be round. So then you have to try and use this knife bit and apply pressure. But if you notice, I split it here. So then I got jagged edge. So I use that as well. Because that is very tough. So you try to use the file to file it down and just it's not gonna rack, you know that. See? When it stopped being silicone. So everything here which I test, that's the file. You can see those metal strikes going down if you twist it to see. That's the kit I use. And just hunt, you know, and just get things together and you'll just learn every day. It will make sense soon, you know. And if you get it, you will get opposition. You will get, you can see the metal here. That's from the file. Because I use the file as well. So, see the hardness. So those are the kit I use. Home tools. Keep going.